Hello everyone, this is your Bandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB Tutorial. So in last session, we have discussed exercise 7.3, right? And in today's session, we will discuss inequalities in a triangle. So what the meaning of inequality? Inequality is the opposite of equality. Okay, so till now we have been studying the equal sides, equal angles of a triangle. Also we have studied congruency in triangles. So congruency in triangles is what? You are doing two triangles as equal triangles in every aspect. Either it is its size or shape. Okay. So in today's session, we will discuss the inequality in a triangle. Why we need this inequality to show the inequality in a triangle. Okay. So sometimes we also do come across unequal objects where those objects are not equal in every aspect. Okay, so there we need to compare them, like these line segments. You can see AB and PQ are not in equal length. Okay, are of not equal length. So here we need to compare them. Comparison exists whenever the inequality exists. Okay, so here AB is shorter in length than PQ. Okay, means here AB is less than PQ. Okay, means length of this line segment AB is less than the length of line segment PQ. Okay, if we see angles, because these side line segment angles are the parts of triangle, so we are discussing the same. So here you can see this angle PQR is shorter than the angle ABC. Okay, angle PQR is less than the angle ABC. So see here, these two angles are unequal in measurement. That's why we are comparing them. Okay, and comparison exists in the form of less than, greater than, and equality when exists, so it becomes equal. Okay, suppose these two angles if are equal, so here the equality exists, but here you can see these two angles are not equal in measurement, so we are comparing them. Okay, so angle PQR is less than angle PABC. Similarly, this line segment AB is less than line segment PQ. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss the relationship between unequal sides, unequal angles in a triangle in the form of theorems. And many of these theorems we have studied in previous classes also in the form of properties of a triangle, like the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side of the same triangle. Okay, so let's see the theorem number 7.6 of NCERT book class 9. The theorem is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is larger, or we can say greater. Okay, so क्या स्टेटमेंट है इस थ्योरम का कि एक ट्राइंगल में अगर दो साइड्स आपके अनइक्वल है, मींस डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट की है, तो द एंगल ऑपोजिट टू द लॉन्गर साइड, मींस जो भी आपकी बड़ी साइड है उसका ऑपोजिट एंगल भी क्या होगा, लार्जर होगा और ग्रेटर होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हियर वी हैव अ ट्राइंगल ABC. Here you can see the side AB is less than the side AC. आपको क्लियरली इस ट्राइंगल में नजर आ रहा है कि जो साइड AB है उसकी जो लेंथ है वो क्या है, AC से शॉर्ट है, छोटी है. ठीक है, सो हियर वी आर कंसीडरिंग these two lines, these two sides AB and AC are of unequal length. These two sides are unequal. Okay, so the angle opposite to the greater side, means here the side AC is greater, so the angle opposite to this side AC will be angle B. Okay, and similarly the angle opposite to this shorter side means AB is angle C. So here angle C is less than angle B. This we have to prove. Okay, so let's see here. here we have given the side AC is greater than the side AB. Okay, because these two sides are unequal. Okay, so you can see here in this triangle AC is greater than AB. Now what we have to prove? The angle opposite to this side AC, that is larger or that is longer. So angle B is greater than the angle opposite to this shorter side, means AB. So angle opposite to AB is angle C. So here we have to prove angle B is greater than angle C. Okay, so to prove this theorem we have to do little construction in this triangle. What? We have to draw a line segment from this vertex A to the side BC such that if we name this line segment as AD, so we have to draw this side or this line segment AD such that it equals to the side AB. Okay, यहाँ पर हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या करनी है कि वर्टेक्स ए से एक हमें लाइन सेगमेंट ऐसा ड्रॉ करना है जो कि BC को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है D पॉइंट पर. ओके, और AD इज इक्वल टू AB. इस तरीके से मीन्स ये जो दो साइड्स हैं यहाँ पर अगर आप AD को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो अगेन हमें एक ट्राइंगल मिल रहा है ABD, और उस ट्राइंगल में क्या है AB इज इक्वल टू AD. तो हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन किस तरीके से करनी है? वर्टेक्स ए से करनी है. कहां तक? साइड BC. साइड BC को ये लाइन सेगमेंट इंटरसेक्ट करे. ओके, सच दैट AB इक्वल्स टू AD. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, ड्रॉ AD from A to BC such that AB equals to AD. ओके, इस साइड के इक्वल हो, इस तरीके से हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. नाउ सी, इफ वी नेम दिस एंगल B as angle 1, okay, and this angle C as 2, okay, and this angle as 3 and this angle as 4. यहाँ हम एंगल्स को बाय नेम नहीं नंबरिंग कर रहे हैं. नंबरिंग से हमारा क्या होता है, एक व्यू करने का जो तरीका वो इजी हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको ये थ्योरम इजी वे में समझ में आएगी. तो देखिए हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन से क्या किया है कि AB इज इक्वल टू AD. ओके, एंड वी नो द प्रॉपर्टी इन अ ट्राइंगल दैट द एंगल्स ऑपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड, since these two sides are equal, so here this triangle ABD we will consider as isosceles triangle, and we have studied one of the theorem of this triangle. What? The angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Okay, it means what? Angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Okay, so let's write here in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, since AB equals to AD, by construction, here mention the region also. Now, since AB equals to AD, it means the angle opposite to AB, the angle opposite to AB is angle 3. So angle 3 is equal to the angle opposite to AD, that is angle 1. Okay, name this equation as equation number 1. Okay, now see, since angle 3 is equal to angle 1, now see, in triangle ADC, in this triangle ADC, this angle 3 at the vertex D is an exterior angle for this triangle. Okay, so right here for triangle ADC, for triangle ADC, angle 3 is an exterior angle एट वर्टेक्स डी। ओके, ये क्या है, इस ट्राइंगल के एक्सटीरियर पार्ट में ये एंगल बन रहा है, बट बन किस पर रहा है, फॉर्म किस पर हो रहा है, वर्टेक्स डी पर। सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज exterior angle for this triangle ADC at vertex D. Okay, and also we know the exterior angle property. What it is? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles of the triangle. Okay, so we will apply the same property here. Angle 3 is equal to the angle, see here, यहाँ पर ये जो वर्टेक्स डी है मीन्स ये इंटीरियर एंगल होगा आपका, एंगल ए डी सी इज इंटीरियर एंगल एट वर्टेक्स डी। सो अगर मैं यहाँ पर बोलूँ कि इसका ऑपोजिट एंगल्स क्या होंगे, ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ये जो साइड है आपकी ए से, इट इज मेकिंग टू एंगल्स, वन इज एंगल 2 एंड वन इज एंगल 4. ओके, सो द ऑपोजिट एंगल्स टू दिस angle D are angle 4 and angle 2. Okay, so the angle 3 will equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, so sum of two opposite interior angle, so angle 2 plus angle 4, angle 3 equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. Why? Exterior angle property. Okay, now see, since angle 3 is equal to the sum of two angles, it means what? Angle 3 is greater than angle 2. Okay, क्यों? एंगल 2 में हम एक और एंगल ऐड कर रहे हैं, तब जाकर किसके इक्वल हो रहा है, एंगल 3 का। तो यहां से क्या कंक्लूड हो रहा है कि एंगल 3 इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल 2, ऑल्सो एंगल 3 ग्रेटर देन एंगल 4. ओके, so angle 3 is greater than angle 2 and angle 3 is also greater than angle 4. Okay, now see, since angle 3 equal to angle 1, so we can replace here angle 3 as angle 1. Okay, so write here in place of angle 3 as angle 1. So angle 1 is greater than angle 2 from equation 1. Okay, ये चीज हम कहाँ से लिख रहे हैं, इक्वेशन 1 से, इसीलिए हमने पहले जो भी स्टेटमेंट इक्वेशन दे रखी है उसको नेम कर दिया कि आपको अगर आगे हम यूज करते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए कि ये चीज कहाँ से आई है. ठीक है, सो एंगल 1 इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल 2. नाउ सी, यहाँ पर एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 की बात करी, तो अब हमें कौन सा ट्राइंगल कंसीडर करना है, ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. Okay, so see, angle 1 is what, angle B for this triangle ABC, so we can write here angle B, and angle 2 is what, angle C. Okay, so what we have proved here, angle B is greater than angle C. See here what to prove it, angle B is greater than angle C. Okay, तो देखिए if two sides of a triangle are unequal, तो यहाँ पर हमने दो साइड्स कौन सी ली थी, AB and AC, two unequal sides. Okay, then we have to show that the angle opposite to the longer side, so we can see here the longer side is AC. We are talking here about these two sides, so the longer side is AC, so angle opposite to this longer side is angle B. Okay, and the angle opposite to the shorter side means opposite to this side AB is angle 2, so angle 1 will be greater than angle 2. तो ये स्टेटमेंट भी इस थ्योरम का आपको याद रखना है. दिस इज नथिंग बट द इनइक्वालिटी इन अ ट्राइंगल. ओके, जो अभी हमने इंट्रो पार्ट स्टडी किया कि इनइक्वालिटी है क्या ट्राइंगल में, तो इनइक्वालिटी इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ इक्वालिटी. अभी तक हम क्या बात कर रहे थे कि साइड्स इक्वल हो रही थी, एंगल्स इक्वल हो रहे थे, ट्राइंगल्स को हमने हर एक एस्पेक्ट से इक्वल किया, मीन्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट किया. कॉन्ग्रुएंट इज व्हाट, इक्वालिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो अब यहाँ पर जो हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं वो क्या है, इनइक्वालिटी है. ओके, मीन्स अनइक्वल साइड्स हो या अनइक्वल एंगल्स हो, उनके बीच में क्या रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है, दैट वी आर स्टडीइंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ थ्योरम्स. अभी तक हम स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़ रहे थे, और हमने उन स्टेटमेंट्स को एज अ ट्रूथ, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ अप्लाई कर रहे थे। अब वो मतलब वो स्टेटमेंट्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, तो वो चीज़ अब हम प्रूव करके भी देख रहे हैं। अभी तक हम एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू वेरीफाई कर रहे थे, बट नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग हियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ थ्योरम्स। वी आर looking these statements by proving them. Okay, so this was your theorem number 7.6. that is very important theorem. Okay, in your NCERT book this theorem is not proved. Now next theorem is theorem number 7.7 in NCERT book. In any triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Okay, अभी जो हमने फर्स्ट थ्योरम इनइक्वालिटी पर की थी वो क्या थी कि अगर एक ट्राइंगल में दो साइड्स अनइक्वल है, देन द एंगल ऑपोजिट टू द लॉन्गर साइड इज ग्रेटर देन द एंगल ऑपोजिट टू द शॉर्टर साइड. ओके, बट इन दिस थ्योरम व्हाट वी हैव गिवन, इन एनी ट्राइंगल द साइड ऑपोजिट टू द लार्जर एंगल इज लॉन्गर. ओके, मतलब क्या कि अगर इस ट्राइंगल ए बी सी में आप देखिए यहाँ पर एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल सी, यहां हम इन दो एंगल बी और सी की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल सी. ओके, सो द साइड ऑपोजिट टू दिस ग्रेटर एंगल इज ए सी. एंगल बी के ऑपोजिट साइड क्या है, ए सी है, और एंगल सी के ऑपोजिट साइड क्या है, AB. Okay, so the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. That we have to prove. Okay, so see what we have given first. We have given here the angle B is greater than angle C. Okay, ये पार्ट हमें दे रखा है कि अगर दो एंगल्स में एक एंगल आपका ग्रेटर है, मतलब ये वाला एंगल इस एंगल से बड़ा है, तो इस एंगल की जो ऑपोजिट साइड होगी वो भी क्या होगी, इस एंगल की जो ऑपोजिट साइड उससे बड़ी होगी. ओके, तो एक चीज आपको याद रखनी है कि अगर एंगल बड़ा है तो ऑपोजिट साइड बड़ी होगी, अगर साइड बड़ी है तो ऑपोजिट एंगल बड़ा होगा. ओके, सो सी हियर, सो वी हैव गिवन एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल सी. ओके, इट इज क्लियर फ्रॉम दिस फिगर, यू कैन सी एंगल बी इज greater than angle C. Okay, now what we have to prove, we have to prove that the side opposite to angle B is AC. It will be greater than the side opposite to angle C, means AB. Okay, AC is greater than AB. This we have to prove. Okay, now to prove this theorem, here also we have to construct little bit. What, since this angle B is greater, okay, so from this vertex we have to draw a line segment such that this angle, this line segment making angle with this side BC, making angle with this side BC such that this angle should be equal to this angle C. Okay, क्या करना है, ये जो ग्रेटर एंगल है इसी वर्टेक्स से हमें एक लाइन ऐसी ड्रॉ करनी है कि ये लाइन जो BC के साथ एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है वो एंगल किसके, एंगल C के इक्वल हो. ओके, सपोज दिस एंगल B is angle 1, okay, and this angle C is angle 2. Okay, and this line B also we are naming this as BD. Okay, suppose this is BD, so this BD making angle with BC, so we are naming this angle DBC as angle 3. Okay, see here, so what we have constructed here, draw BD from B such that angle DBC is equal to the angle DC B. Okay, or DBC is what? What we have taken here? DBC as angle 3 is equals to and DCB, that is angle 2. Okay, हमने एक लाइन BD इस तरीके से ड्रॉ की है कि इस एंगल 2 के इक्वल एंगल 3 होगा. मीन्स जो ये लाइन बेस BC के साथ एंगल फॉर्म कर रही है दैट इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. ओके, नाउ सी. See in triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, since angle 3 is equals to angle 2, y construction, angle 3 is equals to angle 2, y construction. Okay, we know that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to those angles are also equal. It means the side opposite to angle 3 is DC and the side opposite to angle 2 is BD. So these two sides will also be equal to each other. So that's why the side opposite to angle 3 is CD. So that will equal to the side opposite to angle 2, that is BD. So CD is equals to BD, means these two sides. Okay, BD equals to CD. Now see, if we add this AD to both sides, adding AD on both sides, what we are coming out with, if we add AD to CD as well to BD. Okay, now see, AD plus BD, AD plus BD is nothing but CD plus AD is what? AC. Okay, AD plus CD is what? AC. So we can replace it. So AC equals to AD plus BD. Okay, AC equals to AD plus BD. Write it down as AD plus CD is equals to AC. Okay, now see, since we know that in a triangle the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, this property we have been studying from standard 7th, right? So we are applying the same property here. Okay, so BD and AD, the sum of the side BD and AD in triangle ABD will be greater than the third side that is left out, AB. Okay, so see here, in triangle ABD, what? In triangle ABD is AD plus BD will be greater than AB. AD plus BD is greater than the third side AB. Okay, now see, since AD plus BD is equals to AC, so in place of this AD plus BD we can write AC. So AC is greater than AB. Okay, इस ट्राइंगल में ABD में अगर हम दो साइड का सम ले रहे हैं that will be greater than the third side. So same we have written AD plus BD is greater than AB. Okay, and from this step AC equals to AD plus BD. So in place of AD plus BD we can write AC. So here we are coming out with AC is greater than AB. Okay, this side AC is greater than AB. Same we have to show here. Okay, so this we have proved. What? If in a triangle the side opposite to greater angle is longer. Okay, so here the side AC is longer than AB and AC, the longer side, is opposite to the greater angle. Okay. Now the next theorem is theorem number 7.8. the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, this theorem we have been studying from class 7th, right, in the form of property of a triangle. What? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, so let's see its proof. Suppose we have a triangle ABC. Okay, at a time if we take the sum of two sides, the sum can be of these two sides AB and BC. Also the sum can be of these two sides BC and AC. Similarly can be the sum of AB and AC. Okay, so here we are taking two sides AB and AC whose sum we have to show is greater than the third side BC. Okay, so see what to prove here. The sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so here we are taking the sides AB and AC whose sum AB plus AC whose sum is greater than the third side, that is BC. Okay, this we have to prove. Okay, you can take the sum of these two sides as well as the sum of these two sides. Okay, that will be greater than the remaining third side. Okay, now see, here we have to do little construction. What? Extend this side AB to a point D. Suppose we are extending this to a point D. Okay, such that this extended part AD is equal to the side AC. क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन हमें करनी है कि ये जो साइड AB है इसको हमें एक ऐसे पॉइंट तक एक्सटेंड करना है कि ये जो AD किसके इक्वल हो, AC के इक्वल, मीन्स AC के इक्वल आपको इस AB साइड को एक्सटेंड करना है. नाउ ज्वाइन टू दिस पॉइंट D टू C. Okay, we have joined the point D to C. Now you can see ADC is an isosceles triangle. Why? By construction, what we have done? We have done this AD equals to AC, means two sides of this triangle ADC are equal. Okay, so it will be an isosceles triangle. Okay, now see, in an isosceles triangle, we know that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal, means the angle opposite to side this AD is this one and angle opposite to side AC is this. Okay, so these two angles are equal. Now see, first we will write the construction part, whatever we have done here. Extend AB to point D such that AD equals to AC. Okay, इस साइड AB को हमने D पॉइंट तक एक्सटेंड किया such that AD equals to AC. Now see its proof. What? In triangle ADC, AD equals to AC. That is possible only by construction. Okay, AD equals to AC, and we know that the angles opposite to sides, equal sides are equal. So the angle opposite to side AD is, let's see, and let's give its name by number. Suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Okay, so the angle opposite to side AD in triangle ADC is angle 1, that is equal to the angle opposite to side AC in triangle ADC, that is angle 2. Okay, why? These are the angles opposite to equal side. Opposite to equal side. That's why these two angles are equal. Okay, name this equation as equation number 1. Now see, it is very clear from this figure that this angle 1 is less than angle BCD in triangle BDC. Okay, so let's see here in triangle BCD. Now we are considering this greater triangle BCD, bigger triangle. Okay, BCD, in BCD angle BCD is greater than angle 1. इस एंगल से ये होल एंगल आपका क्या है, ग्रेटर है. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एंगल BCD इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल 1. ओके, नाउ सी in place of 1 we can write angle 2 because angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle BCD will be greater than angle 2. Okay, so angle BCD is greater than angle 2 from equation 1. Okay, now see, if in a triangle one angle is greater than other, then the side opposite to greater angle will be longer. We know there, and we also have proved this. So see, the side opposite to angle BCD in triangle BCD means the side opposite to this angle is side BD. Okay, so BD is greater than the side opposite to angle 2, and the side opposite to this angle in triangle BCD is BC. So this is okay, BD is greater than BC. With the help of this inequality we are writing this. Okay, so why we have written this? Because these are the side opposite to greater angle is longer. Okay, now see, since BD, this bigger side BD consists of AB and AD. So see here, in place of BD, since BD equals to AB plus AD. Okay, so we can write this inequality as AB plus AD that is greater than BC. Okay, now see, since AD equals to AC, so in place of AD we can write AC. So AB plus AC is greater than BC. Okay, now see, these sides AB, AC and BC are the sides of this triangle ABC, which we have taken initially the triangle ABC. So in this triangle we have to prove that the sum of these two sides AB and AC is greater than the third side BC. So at the end of this proof we are left with this, AB plus AC is greater than BC. Okay, so this we have to prove here. Okay, तो क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, ये दो साइड्स आप एट ए टाइम आपको दो साइड का सम लेना है. तो कोई भी दो साइड हो सकती हैं आपकी, ए बी बी सी हो सकती है, बी सी ए सी हो सकती है, बट अभी इस टाइम हम क्या लेकर चले, ये दो साइड्स जो कि क्या है वर्टिकल है, और बी सी हम क्या हॉरिजॉन्टल लेकर बेस लेकर चल रहे हैं. सो ए बी प्लस ए सी इज़ ग्रेटर देन बी सी. तो इसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. ये साइड ए बी को डी पॉइंट तक एक्सटेंड करना है, इस तरीके से एक्सटेंड करना है कि ए डी इक्वल्स टू ए सी हो आपका. तो इस तरीके से जब आप टी और सी को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ए डी इक्वल्स टू ए सी मिल रहा है. तो ये ट्राइंगल आपका आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल हो गया था कंस्ट्रक्शन से, जिसकी टू साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो उनके ऑपोजिट एंगल्स भी इक्वल होंगे. तो वहाँ से एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2, इसको हमने इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दिया. अब हमें क्या करना है, ये बिगर जो ट्राइंगल है बी सी डी, इसको कंसीडर करना है. तो इसमें देखिए एंगल बी सी डी is greater than this angle 1. It is clear from the figure. Okay, so in place of angle 1 we can write angle 2, because angle 1 is equals to angle 2 from equation 1. Okay, so we are writing this. Now so we know that if one angle is greater than other, then the sides opposite to those angle will be longer. So we can write from this BD is greater than BC, and we know that BD is the sum of AB and AD. So in place of BD, we can write AB plus AD, that is greater than the third side BC. And from this part, AD equals to AC. So in place of AD, we can write AC. So AB plus AC is greater than BC. So these three sides are the sides of this triangle ABC. Okay. So this was your theorem number 7.8. Okay, so that's all for today's session, in which we have discussed three important theorems. Those are based on inequality in a triangle, right? If you have any query, doubt related to this session, can ask on comment section, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss the last exercise of this chapter, triangles, that is exercise 7.4. okay, so stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Thank you.